Hola Peeps! We've gone through phase one so far of the move, and that is packing boxes like crazy. As you all know, if you're moving, it's the little things that take the most time. Trying to figure out, okay, do I want to keep this? Do I not want to keep this? Where do I put this? Where do I put that? So phase one has been going on. So what we have now is a phase one and starting to overlap a phase two, which is, yep, the moving truck. So now we got the moving truck this morning. Had to put the car on it right now, but Taryn's gonna actually drive the car, and we're gonna put the Jeep on the carrier. So I've got to unload this and start more of phase two, or back to phase one actually. Slight bit of a problem. These tires are so big that the straps aren't going over. So it looks like Taryn's gonna have to be driving the Jeep to Florida, and we're gonna have to trailer the car. I'm waiting to tell her that. She's gonna love it. Oh.
Whoa, so cool. Get this, Mommy.
Yeah.
It's a cool truck. Mommy, it's a cool truck.
It's a cool truck?
Oh.
Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, let's find Dad. You're making it legal? To see your child?
Yes, he's nuts.
Let's go fill some tummies.
Okay,
Cruzy, come here.
Cruz.
That's the street park that people drive in.
I need to,
Oh my gosh. Okay. This is like a kid juggle gym.
there you go. Okay, go down there.
What are you doing up there, Buffy? Cats, they can get anywhere. She had to get on the top of these mattresses. We're in the final stages of getting out of here, so she thought, I just need to chill out up here. Buffy. Buffy, say hi to the peoples. Oh my goodness. Buffy. You're a dope birdie. Look at those green eyes.
It's packed.
Finally? And why is it that Jeep on there?
Because the straps wouldn't go over the tires.
So we're playing musical Jeep. Look at,
Musical vehicles.
look how much stuff we got in the car. This is Kai's car. It's packed to the top. And we don't, if we open that, everything will fall out.
Yeah.
But there's my car. There's the Jeep. Let me go show you the Jeep. It's packed. Let me open it. See? It's packed up. Look back there. It is packed up. That's okay. Means we're almost out of here. Yes. Are you ready? What are you ready for?
Mickey Mouse.
You want to go see Mickey Mouse? Oh, you're putting your shoes on? You're ready, aren't you? Well, we got to get the kitties. Cruzito, wait. We got to get the kitties. And go get your tablet.
You go get tablet?
Yeah, go get all your stuff.
Lightning McQueen.
Oh my
You
god.
go open.
Okay, I'm coming. Let's go get your stuff.
You get right here.
Okay, let's go get it.
This is a great deal of fun.
Are you hungry? Dad, babe, you're... Okay, get your blanket. Down there, Spider-Man. All right. Okay, let's go get in the car. Slow cruise, slow. I think he might be just a little excited. Look at this. Is it ready? Okay.
Put her in the front.
Okay. You already got your seatbelt on? Good job. Right here. Here's your blankie. Here's Mickey Mouse. Here's Pluto. Buffy's in the back. Ellie's right there.
Hola Peeps. I'm in the car. Everybody else kind of had to have a bathroom break, and I'm gonna go in there myself. But I was gonna sit in here and watch the girls because they're very vocal. They're running around. See, there's Ellie. She's wanting to get out. Driving that truck with that trailer is crazy right now. I mean, first of all, I got a crosswind, and then I've got a full, of course, you know, the full truckload of goods, and a 3,500 pound car with a probably another 2,000 pound trailer on the back of that. So the truck doesn't have cruise control, which I don't think the last one did either. But the last one, when we moved to San Antonio, had a governor at 65 miles an hour. This one doesn't. So cruising at 65, 70 is pretty cool. It's all right. Once I go a little above 70, a little faster, it's a little squirrely, and I don't trust it. And my air conditioner is working whenever it wants to. So I'm driving a nice cool air, and all of a sudden it cuts off. I don't know if it's the clutch on the compressor or what, but I'll be driving for a while with hot air, and all of a sudden I get a blast of cold air, and it stays on for a little bit. Then I guess when it cycles off, it doesn't cycle back on. So that's going to be fun, especially in the heat tomorrow when I'm driving. Anyway, it's going smooth. Little hiccups here and there, but I mean, it happens. You know, we're not in a huge rush to get to Orlando, but mainly we want to make it there in one piece. Even if I do have to have the truck for one more day and have to pay the extra money for the rental, I'd rather get there safe in one piece and than to get there fast or not get there at all. So that's what we're doing. That's what I'm doing. And then when they come back, I'm gonna get something to eat. I'm gonna go to the bathroom and maybe get a couple of drinks too. Like I said, I want to get there in one piece, get my family there in one piece safely, so we can enjoy our new home. Oh, you can't see. She's right. Oh, you can barely see her. She's right there behind me. So that's the story. Morning glory. Nah, why did I do that? Oh my gosh. Jeez, look. Let's see if I can get this without. She's got a foot on my arm, on my shoulder here. And then I got Ellie down there looking up at her. You can't see her.